Good evening, everyone. I am Ekansh Malav from branch BCE, 7th semester. Here is our DBMS project, in which we have conducted a passport verification system, in which a user can verify the passport details, whether it is in between issue date and expiry date. So here we can see we have created a database by using command create database verification system, and this is the constraints of our database. Like ID is our primary key. Passport number has var variable character of 20 bits, and it has not null and unique constraints. Name has var age, nationality, issue date, expiry date, respectively. And by insert into command, we have inserted values in the passports like name, age, nationality, issue date, expiry date, and these are the inserted values. Here we can see from select query what is our the database. You can see the database. Now our coding part. Uh, this is our index.html. HTML file is the front end basic structure which defines our web page. We can see the head part. Head consists of the heading or title. We can say the title of the page will be passport verification, and we have linked a reference file named by style sheet, and reference link was styles.css. We will see it later. And the body part contains the container. This will be easily understood by seeing our web page. I will show you first the web page structure. First, we will start the server. You can see this server has started, and we see the web page. You can see this, the passport verification page has appeared. This the white part is called the container, which we have specified in the code container, and we have given the heading 1 passport verification and the similar constraints on this, like enter your password as a input ID placeholder, which means like this the enter your passport number will be by default displayed on the web page for the user to easily understand the web page. And we have created a button, verify button. You can see this verify button, and these are the columns, or you can say the attributes of the data: name, age, nationality, issue date. This is the basic structure. If nothing is entered, it will show error message, which is like this: please enter a passport number. Then we will see the style.css file, which is the designing part of our web page. This basically includes the margin, padding, box sizing, border size. The body will be having font family, Arial, background. These all hidden we have created with our own perspectives. Like we can give any color from by selecting this any. And we have also given the container specifications: width 90%, max width 60 pixels, like this, and header one. Similarly, we have given everything a separate specification, or we can say a design structure. You can all are given different backgrounds. And in this is our front end part. HTML and CSS have created our front end part of HTML of the web page. And in the back end, we have index.js file. In this, we have used the local host. We have first created the our own host server. We can say namely localhost, and then we have created the database. We by db.connect we have connected the database. If the connection is successful, the the connected to MySQL database will appear on the on the MySQL function. And if there is an error, then database connection field will be printed on the. Then we have requested a API which will do the verification part. Or if the passport number which we have entered is matched on the database, this query will be run. Select star, which will select all the attributes from passport database where passport number will which will be entered by the user. If there is any error, then there will be a printed message like database query error or internal server error. And then if the result length is if the result is correct, this database attributes will be appeared on the web page as a result. If there is no such passport number in the database, this will be generated passport not found. And in this script.js, we will connect the backend frontend with server and the MySQL database, which is basically the first will verify the database. If passport number is matching, then it will be returned to the server. And if there is an error, then there will be a message that the passport number is not correct. Then we have this API request process. If the response is okay, the in the JSON file, there will be all the attributes shown on the web page. And if there is error, there will be message verification failed or hidden. An error occurred or please try again later. So in this, the we will first see the contributions of our members. This the MySQL database, all the functionalities are done by Abhinav Singhal. And this index.html is done by Animesh Kumar Singh. Script.js portion is done by Abhinav Raj. Style.css, from the background colors were done by Krishna Swarnkar, and the index.js portion, the backend part is done by Ekansh Malav. Now we will see the functioning of our web page. As we have seen, this is the basic looking of the page. We can type any passport number and it will give all the details of the user. We can also try another one, like if we enter any random number, it will check, or if the passport number is not there in the database, the passport number not found, the signal will come. And if we want to try another, we can try it by searching another passport number. So you can see this there, the passport users details are showed, issue date, expiry date, timestamp, all this is all about the passport verification process. The airport systems all can use the basic function is our passport verification. Thank you.